This is Gubbio, a sleepy Italian town. Not a single giant reptile in sight. Still, the past is everywhere you look. In the medieval palaces and churches, the homes and narrow streets, while an even deeper past lies nearby. Just outside of Gubbio, Alessandro Montanari is looking for that distant past. He's a time traveler, moving towards the lost world of the dinosaurs. Its ancient history written in these limestone cliffs.
Millions of years ago, these mountains were at the bottom of a deep sea, collecting layers of sediments deposited slowly through time and eventually pushed by tectonic forces, folded and uplifted.
So all of this rock and all of these layers were once at the bottom of the ocean.
Exactly.
And then all these other forces have brought this old rock up to you.
Yes, that we can actually study layer by layer, like pages of a book, the history of the Earth.
Gubbio's deep-sea limestone, now exposed by the side of the road, became a magnet for scientists. Especially this site, that may seem ordinary, but holds one of the strangest features to confront a geologist: a thin layer of dark clay. In the 1970s, the clay captured the attention of an American geologist, Walter Alvarez. He was trying to determine the relative ages of the limestone layers by analyzing the fossils left by tiny shelled sea creatures. Called foraminifera, or forams for short, they're among the most common ocean plankton. When they die, their shells become part of the sediment. Since many different species have evolved over the ages, they can serve as markers of geologic time. But as Alvarez studied them, he noticed something striking.
Well, what he sees and was puzzled by, after the very top of that white layer, all these very diverse microfossil species would disappear. Okay.
So, Sandro, when Walter Alvarez looked in these rocks, he saw all these species of forams.
Yeah.
They're plentiful. There are many species for thousands and thousands and thousands of years. But after this little seam of clay here, all the way up through these rock layers, those forams are missing.
Those species are gone. Forever.
Disappeared.
Disappear.
And that's a fundamental mystery. What would make these little creatures disappear?
Yes.
So Alvarez was stumped. What did this thin line of clay represent? It was laid down 65 million years ago, the same time when the dinosaurs disappeared. Was there any link